Alright. So, here's my dilemma. There's 2 boys, 2 girls in this house.
No, there's 3 boys. Ruger.
Well, Ruger doesn't wear shoes, so we're not going to count Ruger. But what we are going to count is our shoes. Our shoe count, right, Bub? I mean, there's me and you, which is 2.
Yeah.
And then Mommy and Sissy, which is 2, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so there's me and you, right?
Yeah.
That's 2. Mommy and Sissy is 2. Well, let's look at the shoe lineup right here. Okay.
The girls.
I don't get it, but for some reason, it is what it is. This first lineup is, we can get in one screenshot. It's mine and Bubba's combined. That's 2 boys, combined shoes. Right here. Go out boots, you know. Snow boots, hiking boots, tennis shoes, flip-flops, go out boots, bad Converse, hiking shoes, and flip-flops, right?
2
Right.
pairs of flip-flops.
That's right. That's all you need, right? I mean, I don't get the rest of this. Now, I'm going to show you the girls' shoes, which
Oh, yeah.
doesn't really make a whole lot of sense to me.
I can count them.
Look at this.
I can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10?
Yeah.
Well,
Just 10 shoes.
babe, can you explain why maybe females might have more shoes than guys? Because to me, it seems like, you know, you get your outfit, you put it on, and the less you have, the simpler it is to, right? Find a shoe to wear.
The more you'll be able to wear different outfits.
Okay, the girls.
How many?
51 shoes.
Oh, Bubba forgot one more pair of shoes, which is his cleats.
Or like games.
So, this is ridiculous, guys. Look at this.
It's 51.
2 boys can barely fill half a line.
Let me get mine.
2 girls fill 2 full lines all the way to the door.
2 full and a half.
This is crazy.
You have 7.
Crazy. Is this not crazy to you?
No,
How?
because they're my shoes.
Have you looked at them?
Yes.
Oh, this is even half of her shoes. She has more heels under her dresser.
No. I mean, this is nuts. This is ridiculous.
1, 2.
I think we need to have a shoe yard sale, Mason. What do you think?
No. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we get lots of money. We can sell the girls' shoes while they're at work and in school.
Oh, yeah.
And then me and you can hit the Home Depot.
Oh, yeah.
Huh? That's what I'm talking about. What do you think?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, well, this is how it is right here. 2 girls versus 2 boys. And it's plain as day. This is crazy.